Hey, Michael Church, Crawl Space Ninja, Basement Waterproofing Ninja. I want to talk to you a little bit today about insulating your basement or your crawl space and some of the different products that we make available, not only to our customers, but to our DIY customers out there. Stay tuned. So if you're new to Crawl Space Ninja's YouTube channel, we talk about everything related to energy efficiency, waterproofing, crawl space encapsulation, attic insulation, different things like that. We hope you'll subscribe to our channel and ring that notifications bell. So when people call us and hire us to do either basement waterproofing or crawl space encapsulation, one of the things we always consider is the energy efficiency of the home. A lot of companies out there, even DIYers, may not think about how important proper insulation in the basement or the crawl space is. So don't let somebody talk you in to that vapor barrier is going to insulate, or if you close the vents, you don't need insulation. According to the Department of Energy, you should always insulate your crawl space and your basement. It's actually the #2 place in the home to insulate, next to the attic. We've done a lot of great attic insulation videos if you're interested in learning more about that. Unfortunately, it is winter time and a lot of people don't think about their attic right now, so they're not really interested in insulating their attic. They're more interested in insulating their attic when it's 140 degrees up there, right? I mean, I would rather work in an attic in the winter, which is one of my #1 tips for winter home improvement project is insulating that attic. I also put a link to that video down below. So anyway, what I want to talk to you today is about insulating either your crawl space or your basement. A lot of people put, especially builders, they'll put fiberglass insulation, rock wool insulation, they'll spray foam the subfloor, different things like that. But when you encapsulate the crawl space, you seal the vents, install dehumidification, control humidity, you actually have another option, which is doing the foundation walls. Even those basement waterproofing companies out there miss this most of the time, if not all the time. When you have all the walls exposed of your basement or your crawl space, you should just go ahead and insulate those walls to create that thermal break between your living space or your crawl space and the outside. Two of the main products that we use to do this is our R10 termite resistant foam board and our Insul-Barrier. Now the Insul-Barrier at this level is only an R8.7, but if you spray a bead of spray foam behind the Insul-Barrier before you attach it to the wall, you create an air gap which can bring it up to R10 and even in some cases an R12 insulation. So if you're looking to do a DIY project, I recommend this Insul-Barrier is really cool, and we've done a few videos about how to install this, but the Insul-Barrier is really a great product. You put in your Christmas tree up here along the top and then it drapes down. You got a bead of spray foam going top to bottom, so that way it's sitting off of the block or the concrete a little bit, and that air gap along with this creates a very good insulator. Now you can also use this in a basement, okay? So keep that in mind. This is what it looks like on the inside. It's got all these different layers and things like that. Really great product to install, and then you would bring your vapor barrier up in a crawl space and tape it up here on the wall would be the best way I recommend for this. The other thing you could do is you could snap a piece of foam board. Either we use the Hilti products. I've done a lot of videos about how we rent the Hilti guns to DIYers and things like that. We shoot an EFIS nail into this, which is a masonry nail which goes into the block or the concrete, permanently attaching this. The nice thing about this product versus fiberglass is that if this ever gets wet, it doesn't matter. It's designed to get wet. You can actually put it below slab. A lot of commercial warehouses and things like that will actually install this on the ground and then pour concrete over it. It's designed to be wet, so it's a nice product to use. It's got the termite resistance capability to it. The only problem with it is it's a 2-step product. If you put this and then you try to drape a vapor barrier over it, if you're a DIYer, it takes a little bit longer to do that versus just doing the Insul-Barrier. So these are two great ways to insulate the foundation of your home, keep that crawl space in that basement warm in the winter and cool in the summer. I hope that helps you, and if you've got an insulation tip for us, we hope you'll put it in the comments down below. I'm Michael Church with Crawl Space Ninja, Basement Waterproofing Ninja. Make it a happy and blessed day, and we'll see you later.